of Nigeria's brutal civil war, a hero emerged from the shadows. His name was Victor Banjo, a Yoruba soldier who defied the odds to fight for the Biafran cause. Born in 1930, Victor Banjo rose through the ranks of the Nigerian army, becoming a respected officer and friend to Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the leader of the Biafran secessionist movement. In 1967, Banjo defected to the Biafran army, joining forces with Ojukwu and other prominent Biafran leaders, including Philip Effiong and Alexander Madiebo. Banjo played a crucial role in several key battles, including the invasion of the Midwest region and the defense of Enugu. His bravery and tactical genius earned him the respect of his comrades and the admiration of his enemies. In 1967, Banjo was captured by the Nigerian army while attempting to escape from Biafran territory. Despite his bravery, he was executed by firing squad, a tragic end to a remarkable life. Victor Banjo's sacrifice will never be forgotten. His bravery and conviction inspired generations of Nigerians and Africans, a testament to the power of courage and conviction in the face of overwhelming odds. The story of Victor Banjo serves as a reminder of the complexities and nuances of Nigeria's civil war. His bravery and sacrifice will forever be etched in the annals of African history.